Your bathroom exhaust fan hums, rattles, moves very little air, or does not run. Should you replace only the motor, or open the ceiling for a complete new fan? The grille hides that decision. Make the diagnosis and the match before ordering a part. First, prove the motor is actually the failed boundary. A no-run symptom can come from the control or supply. Rattle can come from a loose, dirty, or damaged wheel. Weak airflow can come from a blocked duct or a damper that does not open. Dry clean accessible dust with the power isolated, inspect what you can see, and record the symptom. Do not buy a motor from the symptom alone. Now set the safety boundary. Switch off the correct circuit at the service panel, use the required energy control procedure, and verify the unit is de-energized before access. A wall switch is not an isolation device. Keep the work area dry. Unknown supply wiring, hardwired connections, moisture damage, corrosion, or any energized diagnosis belongs to a qualified electrician following the exact manufacturer instructions. Next, choose the service boundary. A motor-only repair can make sense when an exact service motor or motor plate kit exists, the housing is sound, the wheel is serviceable, and the duct and exterior damper still work. Replace the complete fan when the correct kit is unavailable, the housing is damaged, access or ductwork must be corrected, or integrated lights, sensors, and electronic controls are incompatible. Do not assume every grille hides the same construction. Build an exact match fingerprint. Photograph the fan model and housing label before removal. Match the service motor or assembly by its mounting plate, tab and hole pattern, wheel diameter and axial offset, required rotation, rated voltage and frequency, connector, cable path, and installation depth. A motor can have the right voltage and still be mechanically wrong for the fan. Match the published service part, not just the motor shape. Document the sealing cassette before disassembly, grille, motor plate, wheel, housing, duct connection, and damper. Photograph the connector, cable routing, and wheel clearance. Then follow that model's manual. Remove the grille, vacuum dry debris, inspect the wheel, disconnect only as instructed, and release the model-specific motor plate or assembly. Never force a tab or copy another model's screw and tab sequence. Transfer the wheel only when the service procedure allows it. Record its original position on the shaft. Will offset and housing clearance affect rubbing, noise, starting load, and airflow? A cracked, distorted, unbalanced, or damaged wheel needs the correct replacement assembly. Do not treat it as a reusable part simply because it comes off. Seat the exact replacement plate or assembly fully. Lock the correct connector, restore the documented cable route, and keep every conductor clear of the wheel. With power still isolated, turn the wheel by hand only where the manual permits. It must clear the housing without rubbing. Restore all fasteners and the grille before energizing. Commission the ventilation system, not just the motor. Confirm correct rotation, normal start, no rubbing or abnormal noise, and stable operation. Then prove the air path, the exterior damper opens, air actually discharges outdoors, and bathroom moisture clears as intended. A shaft that spins into a blocked duct is not a successful repair. Stop and replace the whole unit or call a professional when the exact service kit cannot be confirmed, the housing is corroded or damaged, the electrical supply is unknown, the duct or exterior termination has failed, or combined controls do not match. The right decision prevents a second ceiling repair. Want the replacement matched before the ceiling is opened? Send the model label, housing opening, motor plate, wheel, connector, duct, and access photos. Longwell can help organize the fit and airflow evidence before a service motor or complete fan is selected.